Sadler into Morgan. Best, a great goal! Charlton. Kidd is there! Now Badger. Gowling. And Kidd, he's not offside. But there's very little help yet. Gowling's just arrived.
Best with the corner. And there it is! That's number 11, Ian Moore has got it! Ian Moore then has the equaliser from George Best.
Charlton is going forward. Just wait, he says to Willie Morgan. Let me get there. And get there he does. Yes! It's James who scores. Steve James.
Pearson. McElroy. Oh, right past Lawrence. What a header by Danny, number 3!
Augustin, Thomas. And Jordan with the header! 1-0 to Manchester United. A thundering header by Jordan.
Giggs or Irwin? It's Giggs. Bannister. Irwin with a run on the left. Scholes in the middle. Good header, lovely goal. That's Bruce.
Roy Keane. Philip Neville. There's a lot of red shirts. Oh yes, Nicky Butt.
Another Scandinavian trying to feed things again, and Sheringham! Special smile on the face of Dennis Sheringham.
Scholes, the teach of a pass, finds David Beckham, who sends it in immediately. Dwight Yorke's header! Sheer brilliance from Manchester United.
Beckham. Nicely back from Dwight Yorke. Space and time for Beckham. He's done well to whip it in. That's a lovely header by Andy Cole.
Solskjaer and Dwight Yorke in the penalty box for United. Keane with a great ball.